Welcome Garden to another vlog. It's your girl Aisha, and this is going to be a beauty maintenance vlog. I'm going to be getting my nails done, my feet done, my lashes done, and my hair professionally retwisted and styled. So if you want to stick around, join the vibe, join the tribe. So go ahead and subscribe. My appointment is in 10 minutes and it's 10 minutes away, so let's get there now. I just made some chicken broth. It is so good. They have one flavored with ginger, which is even better. But yeah, let's just go ahead and head out. I got this gym set on from TikTok. The pink is from a different set, but it's just so cozy, and I like that it has some pockets. I lied, it doesn't have pockets, but it has these sleeves. Anyways, I gotta actually hurry up, so let's go.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
What's your favorite type of set to do? Like French tip or solid color or
the one you showed me?
oh. My last nail tech, he didn't like to do all the designs I'd bring him. It's like, am I doing too much?
What he say?
It was just his face. When I would say, this is what I like to do. Like, look how long.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
in the meantime,
This time, doing what I want.
it's the meantime,
Doing what you want.
in the meantime,
This time, doing what I want.
it's the meantime.
Doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know.
So cute.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the edge, dark, frame your photo. My dreams you miss it. Oh, let me tell something
All right, it's time to get our lashes done. I'm so excited. I haven't got my lashes professionally done in like more than a year. So hopefully I love them. So she's actually running a little bit late, which is great because I was too, but I was only like 5 minutes late. She's 15 minutes late, which is fine with me. She was like, girl, wait in the lobby. Feel free to help yourself to any snacks and drinks. And she just was letting me know beforehand, and I like that. And she told me to go ahead and send over some inspo, so I'm gonna just scroll in my car. Well, let's scope the scene actually. And I could go for a snack, but I'm gonna send over the work first. So yes, so excited.
feel like you're testing me. You're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You stuck in warm with my heart. Just can't get everything so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. That's some stuff I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. I've been waiting on you to tell me. I can fuck you up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think?
cute in here. Already feeling really good about my appointment. So I'll pick you guys back up once my set is done. Wish me luck. Guys, who is she? Hold on now. Around my eyes is a little dry from like the tape and like the fan blowing on it and stuff, but oh, I love my lashes. I gotta get used to it, kinda low key, but this is so good. I felt like she captured the vision exactly. A couple things that I'm particular about. We'll talk about it when I get to the house because I'm cramping. It's time to. I'm hungry. My stomach was growling the whole time I was laying down, but I had a nice nap. It was juicy. She had a great personality, just super, super chill. How's my mic blocked? But yeah, she asked a lot of questions to make sure that she was able to deliver what I wanted. Even though she was late, I didn't feel. I like that she was like, just go in and get you some snacks or whatever the case may be. And while you're waiting, can you send me your inspo? Like it was just, it made sense. You know what I'm saying? Like she made something that could have been a negative impact something positive because of the way that she led how she was late and what I should be doing while she's like on the way to our appointment. So I hope it made sense, y'all. I'm so tired. If it was obvious, love my lashes. I do. I have like one or two critiques. I just wish that the fans, not the fans, but like the wispies were a bit more like airy because they're like really spiky as you can see. But I don't hate it. And that's really it, honestly. She did C curl, C plus curl. I don't know. She did some type of C curl, and I know my lashes they grow really straight. So I'm curious to see what they would look like with D curl because I believe D curl is more curl than C curl. So we will see. But I love my nail tech. I mean, not nail tech. I actually do like my nail tech though. Tin, Mr. Tin, Las Vegas at MJ Nail Spa. Love. He was so professional. He offered me some coffee, water, throughout every step he asked me if I liked my nails and stuff like that. It was just real easy to work with. And no forced conversation. We would chit chat here and there and then that's it. Let me pause. And I had to pause my show. I've been into Why Women Kill. I started it a long time ago and now I am like I want to finish the season. But yeah, I was saying that my nail tech, I really do like Mr. Tin. He was very professional. He offered me coffee and water when the other girlies were not. And he just kept me updated. He would ask me my opinion through each nail and he would show me things that he wanted to try. I really love that type of customer service and that inclusion because it doesn't leave me wondering. It doesn't leave me like having to be the one to do confrontation. If I don't like something, he would just ask. And while I am someone that would say, I don't think I like that, not everyone is like that. And so it just makes it really easier to work with someone that just keeps you in mind. And so he was very considerate. And and as far as my lash tech, Miss Gabby, I believe her name is, super chill girl, very soft spoken, I would say, but also really good customer service. She was late by 15 minutes or so. I could understand if someone had appointments after and stuff like that, then that could be like a negative impact on someone's experience, but I still think that she handles herself really well with that. And the lounge was very beautiful, as you guys saw. Yeah, she asked me a ton of questions to help me or help her understand what it is that I'm looking for when it comes to my lash set. And she was also able to provide like opinions and thoughts to help me understand how things may look if I go this way or if I go this way. So it was just a great like conversation in regards to how I wanted my lash set. So it's not just me saying I want this and she's saying okay. She was also giving me feedback on what the impact would be. You know, so that's very detailed and I love that. And she clearly has like the client in mind. It was so cold though. It was so cold. So I would recommend coming with a blanket or a huge hoodie or something like that. Her lash suite was very cozy, very cute, girly. Excuse me. I didn't take any footage in there because she kind of already said that she's still like decorating and stuff like that. So I didn't want to put the pressure on her, but it was cute to me. Yeah, just 10 out of 10 experience. And when I was done with my lashes, I didn't have any burning effect. She was very thoughtful to ask beforehand if I had any allergies and things like that. And yeah, and I really like in her policy that within 48 hours, she does touch-ups in case that there's something that went wrong. She said that there shouldn't be anything wrong. Lashes should be stuck. But if that is the case, then you can obviously reach out to her, which is nice. And after I was done with my lash set, I also like that she said, is there any changes that you would like to do? Is this good? Like basically, she was willing to like take more time to make sure that I was satisfied. And that is like, it don't get better than that. She let me know what lash lengths and curls that she used and the reason behind it. And I just really love upfront transparency and honest. Anyways, I've been having a real good experience with my beauty maintenance. I feel like finding people to do your beauty maintenance, it can be like a lot of pressure because you want to have a good experience. For all of these, I want to say procedures, but it's not that serious. But all of these enhancements are not cheap. This, a lot, okay? Lashes, a lot. Feet, pedicure, a lot. And I'm going to get my hair professionally retwisted and styled. So you have a lot. It's like an investment in yourself and you want to have a good experience, not only for the end result looking nice and as you wanted, but also the experience because you don't want to feel uncomfortable. You don't want to feel like a bother. I was telling my nail tech that the previous salon that I was going to, I felt like when I would bring them my designs of what I wanted, I would feel like I'm asking for too much. And I'm just like, is this not a service that you're providing? Why do I feel like I'm a burden? To the point where I feel like the initial nail tech that I had, I feel like he was basically like, don't send her my way or something like that, which is cool. I feel like on the other end, these service providers they should protect their peace too. So if you don't want to do like designs and you prefer to do like, you know, soft or simple looks, like that's fine. People have like their areas where they thrive in and that they enjoy. So that's why when I was talking to Mr. Tin, I was like, what's your favorite go-to styles? Like, what do you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to understand because I let him know, like, I'm the type to, let's do a design. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes I do like my simple French set and whatnot, but that's stuff that I can do myself. I've been doing DIY like lash clusters and nail sets. So when I go to get certain things professionally done, I want what I want. You know, I want to go outside the box a little bit. I want to, while you're young, not even while you're young, excuse me, because age ain't got nothing to do with it because I'm going to be fly no matter what the age is. But sometimes you just want more and that's okay. And it shouldn't feel like a bother if you bring that to someone that is like literally saying, hey, I provide these services. So yeah, and I've just had really bad experiences with people that like in the beauty world. My last nail tech that I used to go to, like literally I can show you guys all the nail sets that I got from her. So she did good work, but her professionalism towards the end is what severed our tie and our bond. Like she could not recover from that. And that was because of her. Like the door's open. If you want to apologize and, you know, redeem yourself, like I'm cool with that. But if you're going to gaslight me and things like that, make me feel like I got to do the most to get justice, then that's the last time you're going to see me. But pretty much the last the last nail set that I asked her to do was like an airbrush situation, and it was when it was like trending and stuff, and I just wanted it. And I gave her a picture of the inspo prior to our appointment, like well before our appointment, and she confirmed it, you know what I'm saying? And then I sit in a chair. She's obviously struggling, but I don't know, she's an artist, this is practice. I'm okay with nail techs and any type of artist really, because this is art. I'm okay if it's like, if it's not perfect, or if it's like, you know, you're still practicing, like you have to start somewhere. As long as I look cute, I'm okay with it. It don't have to be perfect all the time. But please be honest if you know you cannot do it. If you are struggling, she could have said, listen, I'm trying, it's not working out, let's look at some other designs. And it was my birthday set too. But she didn't do that. What she did was she put the oil on me like she was all done, and my nails were actually like ugly. Like she basically essentially got like some polish, and she tried to like swirl it with a brush. That's not airbrush, my love. It was really bad. Like it was to the point where like my nails were like ugly, like, and then I still gotta pay you. So I'm like, am I tripping? And I was like, no, actually I need these to be like fixed, or I need a refund. And she was like, come here, we ended up doing a different design. But I don't like that I had to initiate that. And I told her before I got out the store, I was like, these are not what I asked for. And it was very awkward because it's like, why do I have to do that? You're the person that is supposed to be leading here. I'm coming to you for a service. You're the professional. You're the expert. So am I the only one? It's okay if you don't know how to do something and you find out mid service. Sometimes I feel like as an artist, you just like, yeah, I got it, and then you don't, and that's cool. But be honest, be upfront, and let's collaborate, and so that I can still be happy and still want to go to you. But that was the last time I saw that girl. I blocked her because I don't want to see her nail designs when I'm looking for a nail tech and stuff. But just a bad experience. Like I was so heated, I was so upset, and yeah. And she, like, I mentioned gaslight, and that's because she did. Because when I was like, yeah, this is not what I asked for, this is not good, she was like, what do you mean? Like pulling my nails to her eyes so she can see what I'm talking about. Girl, anybody can see what I'm talking about. Don't do that, because now I feel like I have to embarrass you. No, I don't have to. And I didn't want to, but she's like, girl, you is pushing it. Like, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna post y'all some pictures. But anyways, I'm rambling. I'm done for today. In 2 days, I'm gonna be doing my hair, and I'll bring you guys along with me. And yeah, loving the beauty maintenance so far, and I'm so happy with my experience. And it's just been 10 out of 10s. Like, and it was my first time trying this nail tech and salon, and my first time trying my lash tech. So I do have people that I feel like I could depend on if I continue getting these services professionally done, because y'all know I be doing my own DIY lash clusters and nails, because this economy, I need to put them coins in the savings, in the IRAs, in the bonds, in the, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do out here. So anyways, bye. I'm talking too much.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby.
Hey guys, this is brunch. I'm wearing some nails. Crazy. This was